Hey tech enthusiasts, Sia from Mobile Munch here with a fresh look at the Vivo V27 5G. This mid-range phone promises a visual feast with its vibrant AMOLED screen, and it's got the cameras to capture all your moments in style. But wait, there's more. The Vivo V27 rocks a sleek design, and get this, the back panel can actually change colors. Pretty cool, right? But the real question is, does it offer the bang for your buck that you deserve? Join me as we dive into the details and see if the Vivo V27 is the perfect fit for your tech lifestyle. Vivo V27 5G with gorgeous display. The Vivo V27 takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED display. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a fluid and responsive experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With HDR10+ support, you'll enjoy an immersive viewing experience for compatible content. Capable performance handles everyday tasks with ease. The Vivo V27 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can choose between 128GB or 256GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your essential apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. Capture stunning photos and videos with the triple camera system. The Vivo V27 5G boasts a versatile triple camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS lets you capture sharp and clear photos even in low light conditions. The 8MP ultra-wide sensor allows you to capture expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 2MP macro sensor lets you focus on the tiniest details. A ring LED flash provides additional illumination when needed. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera with dual LED flash ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in 4K resolution at 30-60fps, offering impressive capture capabilities for content creators. Stylish design with a unique twist. The Vivo V27 5G boasts a sleek and stylish design with a glass front and back. The unique color-changing back panel adds a touch of personality that shifts depending on the light. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. And Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity allows you to connect your favorite wireless headphones or earbuds. 24-bit, 192 kHz high-res audio support ensures high-fidelity audio playback for those who appreciate quality sound. Fast charging keeps you powered up all day. The Vivo V27 packs a 4600 mAh battery, which should provide a full day's worth of power for most users on a single charge. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 66-watt wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 50% in just 90 minutes according to Vivo. A value-packed option for style-conscious users. With a starting price of around €380 at 32,999 Indian rupees, the Vivo V27 5G offers a compelling combination of features for style-conscious users. The phone boasts a stunning AMOLED display, a capable processor for everyday tasks, a versatile camera system, and a unique color-changing back panel. The lack of a headphone jack might be a drawback for some, but the fast charging capabilities and high-res audio support are welcome additions. Is the Vivo V27 5G worth buying in 2024? Looking for a phone with a beautiful display, a versatile camera system, and a stylish design? Then you can consider this phone, but only in sale. Otherwise, you can go with latest flagship available in the market. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Vivo V27. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.